Okay, let's get ready for this next flight.
Throttle active. Middle rates. High rates. Flaps 1.
Okay, flaps 1. High rates.
Five minutes and 20 seconds. 25.1 volts.
Okay, about to be taking off.
You hit the bump.
Yes,
right there.
it's a little catapult.
Flaps normal.
Bring back the flaps.
You hit that bump and away they go. I don't know how you hit it every time.
That works.
Like a, right out there, it's a little.
Gear up.
Just have to bring these gears up. Gears are up. Let's go fly.
What, are you checking the intake?
I was checking the gears, actually. Yeah, I was seeing if the main gears was up.
Yeah, you were looking at something, right?
Yeah. I just want to make sure the gear is up.
Yeah, it's hard to see because it's fast, but it looks good.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. I found it, yeah. Or whatever's left of it. I have to throw out a whole bunch of parts. Well, that wing stayed in the sun too long. This other one is not bad. That's the way it was supposed to be. Yeah, it was flying well until, you know, I tried to get the autopilot in auto-tune. It wasn't ready. And it took me 2 seconds to not put it in manual for it to go down. Because when you're tuning the autopilot, until you get it right, it's very squirrely.
Right.
I'll get it again. I'll make another one.
That's cool. How long did it take to print?
I probably printed it and built it in about a week. Because each piece takes about 10 hours to print.
Right. Yeah, I know they take a long time. The precision's amazing.
Yeah, I'll print about 2 a day. One in the daytime, one at night.
2 minutes and 1 second.
Yeah, it came out really nice. It was looking really good. And it was strong, too.
You know, it's amazing how far that's come. My son was working for the Navy last summer ago.
Yeah?
And they're pretty metal.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like,
I mean, you need a very fancy 3D printed metal, but you can't.
no, he was working for the Navy. But I was like, Joseph, how did that work? And he's like, well, I just sent the program to a supercomputer, but it worked great.
Yeah. No, mine's a $200 printer.
That's amazing. You know, 10 years ago when these came out, people were like, oh yeah, it's a novelty. Now it's like,
No, it's
Oh, happened there?
Low battery.
Ooh,
That was
that
scary.
got a little hairy.
I think the back feeder just flew
Huh?
up. Back feeder just flew up.
1 minute 22 volts.
I saw a guy at the Leesburg Air Show do that in a laser, right about that level over the trees.
Oh wow.
In a full-size plane. He almost bought it. I can't believe how well that's flying.
Low battery.
Wow, very cool.
Low battery. Low battery. 20 seconds, 21.9 volts.
Okay, get ready to come land.
Low
Forget your
battery.
gear, Frank.
Gear down. Timer
Hey, it takes a
1.
little while for that gear to come down, doesn't it?
It,
Low battery.
there's like a 3-second delay, I want to say.
Okay.
Low battery.
Going left to right?
Low battery. Flaps 1. Low battery.
Actually, I'll go further out.
Low battery.
Left to right, landing. Looking good, Frank. There you go. Good job.
You? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. So, yeah, sure. You, Dan. It was you.
Flaps 1. Middle rate.
Thank you, thank you.
Low rate. Throttle disabled.
Say, good flight, good flight. Ooh, landing looked a little hot actually, but it worked.